And everyone, I'm gonna have to ask you to please remain quiet. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no talking, reading, sleeping, smoking, driving, drinking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Uniqua Dixon, ticket number SP 1386823, count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Antoine Durham.
Good morning.
Oh, no, Ms. Dixon.
Uniqua Dixon.
Good morning, Judge Daniel Arm for Mr. Dixon.
All right, there's a recommendation, open and tax passenger. Does your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
I believe it's set for trial, Judge.
No. She set
It's
for,
set for-
no, she set for a show cause.
Show cause. I thought it was set for trial, and I was assuming there was no offer. I guess we'll have to pass on this. What's the recommendation?
Open alcohol passenger. I mean, there's no recommendation.
Right. Can we pass on this, Judge?
This is the People versus Frida Davis. Ticket number SP 1352592, count 1, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Daniel Arm for Ms. Davis.
Say your name, Ms. Davis.
Unmute your device, Ms. Davis, and say your name. Unmute your device.
It's on the bottom left-hand corner.
Touch your device and touch the microphone at the, okay. State your name.
Frida Davis.
Mr. Arm?
Judge, I seen a document that appears to be valid insurance on behalf of Ms. Davis. And based on that, I would move for dismissal.
She's charged with no operator's license on person. Does she have a driver's license?
No, not at this moment. I don't.
So the offer is failed to display. You want to take that offer? It's going to be a $200 fine.
No point.
Okay.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to May 12, 2022 at 2:47 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near Grand River and Lindsay in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 2010 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have your operator's license on your person?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Arm?
Yes, Judge.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Davis has a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 21st?
March 21st, yes.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Patricia Reeves, ticket number SP. One moment. SP 1308156, count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1199342, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1372443, count 2, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1320591, count 2, drove a license not valid or improper license. And ticket number SP 1336790, Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Catrice Reeves.
I think I'm
Well,
missing
Judge
a
Daniel, on
ticket.
behalf of the-
I think
Judge, there
I'm
is an
missing.
offer in the file. My client would like to take advantage of that offer.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Reed, Mr. Arm, could you speak up? You sound muffled. I didn't get it.
Judge, there is an offer in the file. My client would like to take advantage of the offer.
I think, you know what, I think I'm missing a couple tickets, give me one. So there's also ticket number SP 1199342, count 1, which was no operator's license that person. And then there's one more, but I'm not sure. It might be this. Anyway, the offer was plea to fail to display an improper plates and then dismissing everything else. Does she wish to avail herself to that offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, give me one moment to. I don't think I have everything here. Oh, there's also SP 133679003, which is driver license suspended. Let me just print out all her tickets.
Which one?
Catrice Reed.
Yeah, I did. I read it. Oh, I didn't give you all. I showed Mark up. Must have missed a couple of them. You got a lot of our ways up to the right.
I got 4, she got 6.
So, okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. Raise your right hand, Ms. Reed. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Arm, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Having to direct your attention to the date of April 6, 2022 at 8:48 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Linsdale and Livernois in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
And was the vehicle not insured?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Arm?
Yes, I'm satisfied.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will amend those counts to fail to display an improper plates. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
That's correct.
Okay, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $300 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 12th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
So are the warrants lifted off of my name now, and will I be able to, because I had started a payment plan for my tickets, so that'll be added on there, right, when I go down there and pay?
Right, it is gonna be added. You're probably still gonna have to pay some reinstatement fees,
Mhm.
but you've taken care of all of your tickets.
Yeah, I'm on a payment plan to take care of all of them now, yes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, you don't have any more tickets in warrant status, so you're good.
Okay.
All right, like I said, there's a $300 fine for one of the tickets. I'll waive the fine. for the other ticket, and you said you could have that paid by March 21st, or you didn't say?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and so, like I said, I'll wait to find out one of the other tickets, the others are all dismissed. So you don't have any open tickets anymore.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, and then we have Mr. Durham. This is. Sorry, I lost his file. 1 second. Oh, here's some here. Here it is. This is the People versus Antoine Durham, ticket number SP 139292, count one. I'm sorry, SP 1392921, count one, fails to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1293934, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1267321, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, and count two, driver's license expired. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Starting with
morning.
Dr. Cox.
Morning, Ali Bear appearing on behalf of Mr. Durham. Mr. Durham, please state your name for the record.
Antoine Durham.
All right, Officer Peacock, you around, can you say your name, please?
Officer Peacock, Detroit Police Department, badge number 3946.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, there was an offer made to which Mr. Durham would like to avail himself to. It would be one count of an amended charge of failure to display in exchange for a guilty plea of that driving license expired and dismissal of the remaining matters for pursuant to that plea and for police officers' failure to appear.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Durham. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had the opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Barrow,
Yes.
in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 27, 2021 at 3:42 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near Rosa Parks Boulevard and LaGrosse Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2019 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And was your driver's license expired?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Barrow?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis to accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Durham, can you have that fine paid by March 21st?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
The ticket I'm paying for, do I still have to pay that? It
Yes.
was, okay.
He was on a payment plan for another ticket, Your Honor. He just wants to address that. You would still have to pay that off, correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Do I go down to 36 District Court to pay that ticket?
You can go down, you can do it online, you can come down to the courthouse, you can do it online. There's a kiosk around the city called DivDat, DIV is Victor, DAT is the time. They're like in CVS and Myers. I know there's one at the Northwest Activity Center. You can pay it on that as well, or you can download that app.
Okay, once I pay that ticket, is all my tickets cleared?
At 36th District, I'm pretty sure it would be after looking at your record. But for if you're worried about getting your license, you should definitely pull up your master driving record from Secretary of State, and that'll tell you if you have any tickets outstanding anywhere else.
Okay. Thank you.
It's hard, yeah, it's hard because, but I think that,
His father's name.
yeah, it's hard to look because your dad's name is here too. So I think talk to your dad, tell him to clear up. I think your tickets are all cleared up. Tell your dad to clear up his ticket.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yep,
Good luck.
Okay. Mr. Erm, did you want to speak about the Mac Rogers matter?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go into breakout room